Hey, just before this video starts, I would like to take the time to announce a giveaway that I'm actually doing right now. This giveaway is actually for a tan headdress, and this giveaway will end at 5,000 subscribers. You can enter the giveaway by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, turn on post notifications, and leaving a comment with your username letting me know what you thought of the video. As I said, this giveaway will end at 5,000 subscribers, and enjoy the video. Yo, what's going on guys? This is Keck back here with another Animal Jam video. And in today's video guys, I'm actually going to be talking about the brand new total revamp to Animal Jam and Animal Jam Play Wild in terms of their name changes and whatnot, as well as the Animal Jam website as a whole. So if you go to animaljam.com right now, you will see that everything has changed. There's a completely new logo design to it. Instead of their classic old ladybug, there is now a little butterfly like they have on Play Wild. I'm pretty sure I keep seeing this butterfly everywhere around Play Wild artwork as well, so I'm assuming so. As well as the logo for Animal Jam is very simplistic now. There's no kind of zigzag designs within the letters, and the leaves are kind of just more of a gradient now. Along with this, we have the membership, shop, parents, apps, help, and then download, obviously. So it's available on the App Store, Google Play, and the Amazon App Store as well, and you can also download it on PC and Mac directly from the website now, which wasn't available beforehand. You had to actually download it via Steam on PC beforehand, so that's a cool addition, I guess. And then down here we have play the original award-winning AJ Classic experience. So this is Animal Jam Classic, which I'll get into just after this. So get more memberships purchased on animaljam.com, join, come with more sapphires. So yeah, pretty basic stuff. We have the same things down here as well. And we click Animal Jam Classic Edition here, as I like to call it. We have the PC version of Animal Jam, so this is just the normal Animal Jam in my personal opinion anyway. I'm not going to be calling Animal Jam Classic, and I'll be calling the new Animal Jam the same Play Wild name. I'm still going to be calling it Play Wild. But yeah, so you can just see download for PC and Mac. They are trying their hardest to push people to download Animal Jam while they can. They want to get as much of their audience that still use the browser version of the game to use the desktop app version, so they don't lose part of their audience when Flash inevitably shuts down later this year. But if we go to player login and we try to log in, it doesn't let you log in, and a lot of people are having this problem. Some can actually log in, but some people, myself included, if you try to log in on the desktop on the browser version, you just get redirected back to the Play Wild screen, the home screen essentially, and there's no workaround it. You just have to use the Mac version. You're just gonna have to use the desktop version for the time being. But for Chromebook users, I don't think there's any workaround this. I'm pretty sure you could maybe use the Wayback Machine and try to log in through there, but I don't think that'll even work. But other than that, yeah, we have down here, take Animal Jam with you anywhere with our Animal Jam app for your mobile device, and that's just Play Wild. And then it says get more here, same membership ordeal, get more when you buy a club membership from animaljam.com/join, and that's essentially all to it. So that was the new logo, designs, new revamp to the total pages, and yeah, that's essentially it. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. I'm not liking this not so much anymore. I thought the classic name was kind of cool at the start, but now that I can't use the browser version, I'm kind of ticked off a bit because I actually use the browser version because I think it runs better than the desktop app. But yeah, if you guys did like this update, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe with notifications on to be notified on my future videos, just as well as videos just like this one. If you like today's video, make sure to leave a like. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.